Hey everybody, Tim Burchett, just leaving the Foreign Affairs Committee. Good job, Brad. Thank you. Appreciate you, brother. Brad Sherman, Democrat. Good questions. In the committee, I was Foreign Affairs. The former leader of Pakistan, Imran Khan, was a friend of America, and the Pakistani military has taken him out and imprisoned him. And now they're trying to find out what the hell's going on over there. And I'm sure our State Department will write a strong letter and do absolutely nothing. What we need is not military involvement, but at some point, if these folks are going to be detriment to us, we need to use our economic might. That's what a world power should do. We don't need to be sending troops over or ships or anything like that. But anyway, so we'll see what happens. Thank y'all for seeing me. Hey everybody, Tim Burchett just left I guess you call it a screening of videos that were taken by the Hamas terrorists and some of the rescuers. I mean, it's just brutal. Little babies shot, mutilated, and then showing video of kids hiding under chairs, under tables, and the terrorists were shooting them. And they were watching this stuff, and then you have a Hamas terrorist, a bunch of them, cutting some poor guy's head off who's still alive with a rusty hoe and yelling Allah Akbar. You got to wonder though, in this country, why are some of these religious leaders not calling this bunch out? It's just pathetic, and it makes you wonder how many have come over our southern border and what's going on in this country. Every time I see something like that, and they tell me we need to turn in all our guns, I shake my head in disbelief. Anyway, I guess we'll figure out what we're going to do. It makes me more firmly committed, and I'm glad the way that I have supported Israel in the past and how I will in the future, because they are under a brutal attack by a bunch of savages, and we need to let them do their business. Let the Israelis do their business and stop this nonsense. Thank y'all for sending me here.
बोलो, अब नहीं तो कब?